Level 2.
Fuck no.
You'd be a Hall of Fame Domino's piece of work. I feel the wind. I feel the wind.
That's what I'm saying. One finger? No, hell nah, bro. What the?
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, your girl Des, of course, bitch, back in this hoe. And in today's video, we are gonna be getting ready to do our little snow ice princess look. Oh my god! And this is the 30-inch bust down that I have been talking about. Go ahead and actually install this shit. I already did the whole wig cap. If you guys want to see how I did that, you guys can go ahead and watch the Poison Ivy one. So cute. Okay, the shit is pretty tight, which is a good thing. So glue that I'm gonna use, and we're just gonna go ahead. Oh my gosh, with the other wig, that shit really stayed on, like no joke. While this is drying, we're gonna take a hit. Oh shit. I'm gonna wax this shit up because it just plain down in my face. It's laid. Okay. It's just like a little difference. But a little difference can make a big one. Or no, it's fine. I'm gonna start by priming my face with this Urban Decay primer. It just really grips your shit, you know? That's what we need. For the eyebrows, I'm gonna be going in first with concealer, and then to make them white, we're gonna use the ATHENA face palette. Very good fucking palette, by the way. This is the Hourglass concealer in Birch. Girl, if you want like full details, Picture Perfect makeup video is really good, but products will be listed down below for you, girl. I'm gonna go in with this old brush and this white and color this shit in. I need to do an ASMR video with my sister. That'd be funny. I didn't realize how fucking white my concealer was. Fit Me powder. contour, you already know my favorite palette. And I think I'm gonna have to contour like my eyebrows, if that makes sense. And then, oh, this right here. Should I have fucking done that? Let's fix this. Okay, now we're gonna bake our face. Whatever's on the brush, I'm just gonna do that one more time. Fuck it, I'm gonna do my lip combo right now. A little bit. Let me go wash my hands. I was playing with my eyeball. You know what I look like? Those motherfuckers that get the eye color surgery. Is this permanent? For eyelashes, you already know, and for the hoes that don't, shop SVX ho. This fucking Eve. Oh, bitch, it's giving winter fucking princess. That's what we talking about. That's what we talking about. Dude, this is so hot. Bitch, we need to put on the motherfucking outfit now. Oh, but motherfucking period, bitch. So if you guys made it to the end, I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this shit as much as I did, of course. So fucking cunt. You already know the costumes from Fashion Nova. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all that good shit down below. And I'll see you bad bitches in the next video. Bye.